Hey everybody, Beth here, and there's a small bit of good news today. The International Criminal Court on July 8th announced that it has issued warrants of arrest for Hibatullah Akhundzada, the supreme leader of the Taliban, and for Abdul Hakim Haqqani, the Taliban's chief justice. And I'm going to read a bit from their announcement just so that I'm portraying accurately why they have issued these warrants. So the chamber found that there are reasonable grounds to believe that Akhundzada and Haqqani have committed, by ordering, inducing, or soliciting, the crime against humanity of persecution on gender grounds against girls, women, and other persons non-conforming with the Taliban's policy on gender, gender identity, or expression, and on political grounds against persons perceived as allies of girls or women. Also, there has been a governmental policy that resulted in severe violations of fundamental rights and freedoms of the civilian population of Afghanistan in connection with conducts of murder, imprisonment, torture, rape, and enforced disappearance, which is not only in reference, I think, to the reprisal campaign, but to what we've seen with people being imprisoned and tortured and raped, etc. in Taliban prisons. These things are all related, and they're of course things that you don't see on the surface of Afghanistan. It's all behind the scenes. So another important thing to mention here is that this probably also has to do with the how the Taliban has used violence against the population too, stonings, etc., of adulterous women, of gay men, and of others who are deemed in violation of their rules and orders. I think this is really important, but I think we also have to temper it with reality, which is that I don't know what this could actually do to impact the Taliban, especially since last week Russia became the first country to officially diplomatically recognize the Taliban. And how long ago was it that the Chinese accepted the credentials of the Taliban ambassador? Those things go further to legitimize the Taliban than I think this ICC warrant does to delegitimize the Taliban. It's up to countries to continue showing that the Taliban government is not to be trusted and not to be dealt with.